Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mandy. Thank you so much for being here. If you are new, welcome. Today we're going to get back into a box that we have not gotten, I believe, any of us since the pandemic started. I think the last box we got was the March box, but I could be wrong. We might not even gotten the March box because this box comes pretty late. However, let's go ahead and get into it because I've only seen one thumbnail of somebody do this box, which is Just Ann. I did not watch her video because I don't like spoilers. I like to be just as surprised when I do the video when you guys see it. So I don't, and that goes for all my boxes. So just letting you know. So without further ado, let's get into it, you guys. So this is a gosh, it's been so long. I think it's it's a $20 a month, but that's okay. Here it is. So it's $20 a month for the people that were subscribed to it for a while now. And I believe it's $25 for new subscribers. I believe I can put a link down in the description. It's not like a refer a friend. They don't do that. But it is a link that if you did want to get the box that you could click on that, or you could simply just Google the box by Fashionsta. So, like I said, let's get into it. I'm excited. I haven't seen a box from these guys in a while, so let's do it, you guys. So that's what it looks like. And then when you open it up, it says Shop Fashionsta. And I'm interested to see what this has to say. But we have a little card here, and that it always is wrapped nice and neat. Let me move this stuff out of the way. I'm never prepared. I'm sorry. All right, let's see. It does have everything on the back, and I'm assuming this is going to say, yes, okay. The box by Fashionsta. Hey, Glam Fam. We hope you're all staying safe and healthy. We endlessly express our gratitude for your patience and understanding during these times of our delayed shipment. COVID-19 has impacted our small business greatly, and we wholeheartedly appreciate your business and for being a part of the Fashionsta family. Good news, we're recalibrating and restructuring back to quote-unquote normalcy. We've decided to pause our June box. This is June. To be certain, we come back in July with the best and most amazing products and faster shipping and service. You will not be charged for June, and all subscriptions will resume in July. If you have prepaid months, your subscription will extend to the number of months you have prepaid. You were not charged for your April or May box, and we hope that you enjoy these March, now technically May goodies. If you have any questions, please feel free to send us a nice message. Okay, so I'm already hot. So I was right. This is March's box because they do send it awful late, and that pandemic happened. I know my last day of work was on the 25th, so it was at the end of March. So let's take a sneak peek of what's in here. There you go. And we'll go ahead and get started. These lights are ridiculously hot. All right, so first thing on here is, okay, so I've seen this company in this box, and it says Jet 2 in 1 soothing mask kit valued at $9. Can you see it? Yeah. Soothe and moisturize your skin with super antioxidants such as cactus fruit and rose hip. The Jet mask will keep your skin rejuvenated, hydrated, and shield against harmful environmental stress. Okay, that's kind of cool. Step 1, soothing microfiber towelette. Step 2, super hydrating soothing mask. Do you have to use these both at the same time? I'm not sure. A convenient 2-in-1 kit will instantly soothe and moisturize the skin during traveling, protecting the skin from temperature change. Infused with super antioxidants such as cactus fruit and rosehip, the Jet mask will keep skin rejuvenated, hydrated, and shield against harmful environmental stress. Lava water detoxifies and draws out impurities while it elevating moisture level in the skin. So this is for traveling, which we're not doing right now, but it's super cool to have, and it's thick, and I'm excited. So I will definitely try that, but obviously I'm not traveling anytime soon. So moving on to the next product. Oh, this is cool. All right. So bye germs. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. Hand sanitizer from Double Dare, I guess. Where are you? Where are you? OMG hand sanitizer gel, $5.50. That's a lot of money for a little tiny hand. They're upcharging their sanitizer stuff. Kill 99.9% of germs and meet CDC's requirement of 60% ethanol alcohol. Gels are advised to be used on hands when there is no water or soap available, FDA registered. So that's kind of cool. It is sealed. And I don't think it has a scent to it. Pretty sure it's just a, probably smells like alcohol. It is sealed completely, so I'm not going to open it right now. Moving on, we have something small here, and I'm not sure. It's really pretty, and I don't know if you can see that. And it is Emily Alexandra lipstick for $18. Vegan and cruelty-free, ocean-friendly, water-resistant, plus sunscreen ingredients, keeping your lips hydrated and happy. Okay. And Sexy Girl is the shade. Let me get my bobby pin so I can open it. Okay, never heard of this company. Ah, it's so pretty. I don't know if you're going to be able to see that, but there is a, yeah, you can see it. There's a mermaid on there. That's so cool. Packaging is so nice. Very sleek, beautiful packaging. So there's that. Wow, that is like, okay. So it has like mermaid things, little scale like things on the lipstick. I am not going to swatch it. It's so cool how it dips like that, because I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this. I don't wear a lot of reds, but that is so pretty. It's awesome to have like sitting on your vanity for sure. All right, next product is, please don't kill me because I can't say these things right. Shivani Beauty, I believe, and it's going to blind you. I'm sorry, but they're, okay, let me take it out of the packaging so that I'm not blinding you while I'm reading it. Oh, it's an oil. So there is what it looks like. I don't know if you can see that or not. Very pretty. Shivani, I'm guessing that's how you say it, but I'm probably wrong. Marvel Elixir, valued at $54. $54. A multi-purpose hybrid formula that is both a primer and beauty oil. Fast absorbing and lightweight properties assist in delivering firmer, plumper, and more youthful looking skin for a hydrated, radiant, and flawless complexion. Vegan, cruelty-free, and made in the USA. It says it's fast absorbing. Let's see about that. $54. I love this box though. Okay, let's see. It doesn't really have a scent. Get on there. Yeah, I don't really smell anything, but it is just an oil. Let's see. Is it fast absorbing? It is. You guys, it is. It's in there already. It is leaving a glow, but it is already rubbed in. That's kind of cool. I'm excited. All right, next product. This is a good box. This is a really good box. All right, next product is from Clean and Calm, I guess. Another brand I've never heard of. Herbal Dynamics Beauty. Okay, so it's not from Clean and Calm. That's the name of it. Sorry, let me resituate myself here. Herbal Dynamic Cucumber and Blue Lotus Micellar Water, valued at $16. Gently and efficiently cleanse your skin of oils, makeup, and other impurities with this one-step complexion brightening micellar solution. Can be used as a toner or a one-step cleanser. No need to rinse. Cruelty-free, sulfate, paraben, and phthalate-free. That's pretty awesome. Water lily, vitamin B, cucumber extract. It says clean and calm, cucumber and blue lotus. Gently and effectively cleanse skin of oils, makeup, and other impurities with this one-step complexion brightening micellar solution featuring white water lily and blue lotus extracts. And let's see. I'm not going to smell this because I have white. Oh no! Oh, and it's sealed. Awesome. That's amazing. It's sealed with plastic. But anyway, I have a lot of different micellar waters opened right now, so I'm not going to open that. But it comes sealed in the box. That's amazing. Another great product. We are down to our last product, and I've been eyeing this name up, but I haven't looked at it the whole time because I've recently got into this brand. So without further ado, it is a Glam Light palette, you guys. What? This is a Glam Light palette. Glam Light is so good. I love it so much. Look at the packaging. It's gorgeous. And then there's, I don't know who that is. I guess that's the creator of Glam Light. Hey babes, makeup has always been one of my biggest passions as a professional MUA. I've always dreamed of being able to create a palette that allows women of all skin tones to create the most glamorous looks. The Glam Light family finally brought my dream to life with a 15 color palette that we customized, created with not only my favorite colors, but the most poppin' pigmentation and blendability I could ever have imagined. I am so excited to share this collection of my favorite eyeshadows with all of you. Okay, let's see what the card says. So Glam Light Alondra Dressy Eyeshadow Palette, valued at $38. I don't know why the dog is barking. I am sorry. It is 15 luxurious eyeshadows thoughtfully created by Alondra Dressy, 8 intensely pigmented mattes that blend like a dream, 3 ultra dazzling diamond shimmers, 1 dynamic duochrome shade. I am so sorry, you guys. My dog is going crazy. Reba, can you please stop? And 3 creamy shimmers. And I'm sweating. Okay, let's get it together. She wanted to say hello to you guys. That's what it is. She wants to say hi and be a pain in the butt. All right, let's get into it. I'm excited. I love Glam Light. Oh, it's a velvet palette too. Oh my gosh. Look at that. And she still wants to say hi. So there is a full-size mirror. And here are our shades. What? You guys, amazing. Oh my gosh. All right, so let's swatch a couple. I'm not going to swatch the whole palette. I will swatch a couple for you, but this is a really pretty palette with a couple pops in there. I love the yellow. I expect high of these shimmers because they're amazing from Glam Light. And she's saying hello again. All right, so I can't even pronounce these. Horchata, Boss Babe, Lit, Superstar, Shady, Jaliska, I don't know. Glam, Poppin', Selena, Sunshine, Rose All Day, Cotton Candy, Inner Beauty, Bougie, and Espresso. Well, let's swatch Bougie because that's like my favorite word. There's Bougie. We'll do Lit. We will do Cotton Candy. We'll do Shady and Sunshine. So there are our swatches. Yes, I love Glam Light, you guys. I cannot wait to play with this palette. It is stunning. What? Okay, so there are just a few swatches. This palette is going to be amazing, you guys. amazing. All right, let's recap. Super excited. So we have this beautiful palette. I'm not sure, Alondra Desi, I believe is how you say that. I'm probably wrong. We have the micellar water. We have a fixed $56 oil, a beautiful lipstick. We have a hand sanitizer, and we have a mask. So what do you guys think? I'm blown away. I love it. I cannot wait to play with this palette. It is going to be perfect for my collection. I'm going to fan myself because these lights are really making me hot. And that's it for today, you guys. Thank you so much for being here. Let me know what you think of this box. Let me know what you think about them making the little break they made. I think it was a great idea. And I'm excited. Like, this is amazing. I can't wait to see what's in the next box, you guys. Don't forget, leave me a comment. Let me know what you thought of this. Also, what else did I want to say? I think that's it. Subscribe, please. Please. I'm almost to 1,000. Thanks, guys. Have a fantastic day. Bye.